couple months ago, I came out here to Colonial Beach to check on one of our new construction. It was just a foundation at that point. Today, we're checking out. We've gone through the framing, drywall. We're actually getting pretty close to listing. We're probably 3 to 4 weeks out at this point, and flooring goes in next Wednesday. So we're gonna get another tour of this house. It's here in Colonial Beach. Check it out. So as you can see, we still got final grade and everything. We've had a heck of a lot of rain here lately, so it's kind of been a mud hole, but it's a big split foyer, 2-car garage. We're gonna have a huge landing here. It's a model that my builder has built a few different times, and we don't have any stairs, so unfortunately, we're gonna go into the side door over here. But we do have a man door here on the side, and we have hooked up power. All right, so coming in here, we have our 2-car garage with the side loading garage door openers on both of them. My builder usually finishes the garages, which is nice. We don't ever paint typically. Again, we're almost to the flooring stage. It's probably gonna be a little bit darker here today just because I don't have any lights on. I don't know what all is hooked up and we're fully enclosed, but we don't have the heat and AC working. We have a full bath here. This property is a little unique. It actually has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, all in about 2,100 square feet. All right, so this can be considered another bedroom here. Some people make it into like another living room, but it's a big room. So you have a sump pump in here, you have a closet, and then this is actually a utility closet, hot water heater, and the HVAC are in there. Laundry's right here, so laundry hookup will be right here. Again, so there's your dryer vent. Then you have your supply lines for your water. Then you have your big plug for your electric. Come in here, shut the garage. Just nice built-ins. Do notice something. I hate to point this out in every house, but my builder does all real built-in shelving. Does not use that wire rack. So something else the builder has elected to do on this property is they're running LVP throughout everywhere. This is another look at the landing, but we do not have the stairs yet. There's the front lookout. You're right here on Greenway Drive in Westmoreland Shores. For anybody looking or wondering what Colonial Beach is, I do have a pros and cons video of Colonial Beach. We also have broken down pretty much all the counties around it too. So King George, Spotsylvania, Stafford, whole 9 yards. I have a playlist on my YouTube that you can go through and check them all out if you kind of want to understand better about like where we're at and what's around it. All right, so going back up, very wide set of steps right here. As you can see, it's a double set of steps coming up. Again, LVP throughout here. So turning right, this is your living room. We have fans coming. Obviously we have a lot of cleaning up and ground cleaning, and then your final grade too. Like I said, the HVAC's not in, although the property is holding pretty good temperature. All right, so coming back in, you have your eat-in table space here, the chandelier. And then coming in here, granite countertops, all nice cabinetry, all soft close. You have dishwasher will be here. There's your sink right there. You're gonna have your stove with the range. And then you have your fridge with the water line right there. And then you have nice ice maker, whole 9 yards. So turning to the right, coming down this long hallway, you're coming up on your second full bath here. Yeah, we have lights in here. So vanity, another tub, full tub, bathroom combo. We don't have the toilets in, of course. This is coming up on our second bedroom. First was downstairs. Again, little upgrades, but if you look at a lot of new construction, you'll understand. Fans in every room. Fan, fan, okay? We're looking at this other room right here. This is your third bedroom. Closet over to your right. And then this is gonna be your primary suite. Closet right here. Actually goes in there pretty deep. And then your third full bath. Double vanity here, and then this will be a shower. So you have 2 full bathtubs and then a shower in here. Long shotgun style bathroom, but a lot of square footage for really the price. Looking at the general overall area, on average, looks like new construction is going for about $421. We're gonna be listed at $399.9. We're still a couple weeks out. We'll be on coming soon by the time you see this video, but we're gonna be still a few weeks out before we go live. Our shoot date is for June 15th. It could be pushed around, something like that a little bit. But if you guys have any questions, again, my YouTube has a bunch of content, especially for like areas if you're coming into the area. This house we actually shot years ago. It's the second time had the opportunity to sell the house. The other one was in Orange County, and I think we did pretty much full videos on that. So you might be able to find that somewhere. But overall, it's a really efficient floor plan, and really to get 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, under 400,000, 2,100 square foot total for the blueprint. It's a good deal. It's a really good deal. So if you guys have any questions, give me a call. Feel free to reach out. We'll put the team email below, and I'll see you on the next one.